Welcome back to ICMMS, the maintenance cloud by Infinity Systems. In this episode, we dive into the asset registry, the single source of truth for every machine you maintain. We're signed in with our Infinity manufacturing account, so let's open equipment. Here's the registry. Every asset in one list, its code, name, category, criticality, and current status. You can search by name or code, filter by status, criticality, or category, sort any column, and export the whole list to CSV in a single click. Whether you run 20 machines or 20,000, everything stays organized. Assets are grouped by category and tied to physical sites and locations, so you always know not just what a machine is, but where it lives on the plant floor. Criticality tells your team which failures hurt the most, so the pumps that stop production get attention before the fan in the break room. Open any asset and you get its full profile, manufacturer, model, serial number, and purchase cost. Because a compressor and a forklift need different details, each category can define its own custom specification fields. And you can attach manuals, warranty documents, and photos right to the asset, so the paperwork is always one click away. Every asset gets a printable QR tag. Stick it on the machine, and a technician on the floor can scan it with a phone to pull up the full history, log a reading, or raise a work order on the spot. No hunting through spreadsheets. Now here's the important part. You don't have to enter any of this by hand. If ICMMS is connected to your ERP, whether that's ERPNext or Odoo, your assets and equipment are fetched automatically. Just map the fields once, and every asset in your ERP flows straight into ICMMS and stays in sync. No double entry, no copy and paste. Your maintenance system and your ERP always agree on what you own. That's the ICMMS asset registry, organized, searchable, QR tagged, and automatically kept in sync with your ERP. In the next episode, we'll turn these assets into action with work orders end to end. Thank you for watching.